Welcome to a short 5-minute morning meditation for wisdom. Start by taking 3 deep breaths. In through the nose, filling up the lungs and the belly all the way, and exhaling through the nose or the mouth, whichever you are more comfortable with. When you're ready, let the breath come back to its natural pace, its natural rhythm, and just notice how you feel. Notice if you feel tense or loose, stressed or relaxed, dull or energetic. Not judging how you feel, but just noticing, observing. Now gently take your attention to the area on your body where you experience this feeling most intensely. And observe all the different sensations you feel in this area. If you feel tired, where do you feel tired? What's the sensation? Is it heaviness? Tightness? If you feel stressed, where does this tension appear? Notice if the sensations that you are observing are changing. Are they becoming stronger or weaker? Do they move around? Does the shape of this intense area change? Observe with a sense of curiosity, like a child. Now widen your attention to the whole body. Be aware of all the sensations you feel throughout the entire body. Notice the dance of sensation. Everything is constantly changing, even what we perceive to be ourselves. What is the point in becoming attached to something that is so temporary and so impermanent? Understanding this at the experiential level, we gain insight and wisdom. We let go of attachment. we let go of suffering. As you go about your day, try and observe the temporary nature of everything you see and feel. They are all but passing clouds, floating across a clear blue sky.